Yes, be ready. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, we are considering the finance bill which the finance minister has moved before the House. Full stop. The finance bill includes two parts: the collection of funds and the use of those funds. Full stop. We have got two parts of it. The first part of it is that we must be able to maintain law and order and spend the amount in such a manner that the economy of the country progress. Full stop. In this respect, I would like to say that this house is also bound to abide by rules and regulations. Full stop. I have heard persons, the house has heard them for days together saying about the non-maintenance of law and order in the country. Full stop. But this right can be exercised by only those persons who abide by rules and regulations of the house. Full stop. The so-called stalwarts, senior members of the parliament, are not permitting the parliament to function properly. This is very important. Full stop. Is it not abuse of the exchequer when we see that the money that is being collected from the people is not being utilized for the welfare of the people? Question mark. Are we utilizing that money? Question mark. I say this because the money which is being spent on parliament also comes from the exchequer and from the people. Full stop. Next stanza. Every day there is absolutely no respect for law and order. Nobody bothers about it. Full stop. Many persons get up at one time. Full stop. When the honorable speaker is on his legs, then also they get up and go on shouting as if everybody else here is a deaf man. Full stop. I cannot understand how the economy of this country can be improved with this type of performance from them. Full stop. I would like to tell my friend that this will not help him. Full stop. If we want the people of this country to abide by rules and regulations and to maintain law and order, we must maintain the dignity of the house. We must have respect for rules. Full stop. If we have no respect for rules, then I would certainly say that our being here would be meaningless. Full stop. It would mean that we are interested only in wasting the money of the people, not in utilizing it for the welfare of the people. Full stop. I would say that every paisa that is being collected by way of taxes is to be counted for the people of this country and it cannot be permitted to be abused in any case. Full stop. Another thing I want to say is that we want an ideal to be set up for the nation. Full stop. It is only the performance of this august body which can set an ideal or an example for the people to follow. Full stop. I do not say that people who have no respect for law and those who have committed any offense should be saved or protected. Full stop. But then it can be done only by utilizing the funds of the people collected from the people in a proper manner so that we can positively make progress. Full stop. For this purpose, I would request the Honorable House. Full stop. Over.